Welcome. In this tutorial, we'll explore how to create a unary function in JavaScript. This function ensures that only the first argument is used, ignoring any extras. Let's get started. Some built-in JavaScript functions, like parseInt, can behave unexpectedly when used with the map method. We'll fix this using a unary wrapper function. The unary function ensures that only one argument is passed to the function. This is especially useful when working with functions that take more than one argument, but should receive only one. The key idea is to wrap the original function so that it always receives only one argument. This prevents issues where additional arguments might interfere. Without the unary wrapper, parseInt misinterprets the second argument as a radix. Wrapping it ensures correct results. The unary function is handy in functional programming, ensuring consistency in array operations, and working smoothly with libraries like Lodash. In summary, by wrapping functions with unary, we ensure they behave consistently, making our code more predictable and easier to debug. Thank you for following along. Thank you for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more JavaScript tutorials. I'll see you in the next one.